Good afternoon, Frazier here with TreasureAutoSales and hashtag Frazier's Friends. Today I'm going to be doing a video walk around of this 2013 Ford F-150 Lariat EcoBoost. And just like in all my videos, we're going to do the outside, we'll do the inside condition and features. I'll turn it over, let you see the dash, all the lights, let you hear it run. But first we're just going to get outside condition, whatever features there may be. Then we'll get to the inside here in just a moment. But as you're seeing, I'm getting both angles for you. You'll be able to see if there's any dents, dings, dimples, things like that. But as you can see, it's the longer bed of the F-150. Running boards, roof rack, wheels, tires, power rear slider, hard tonneau cover, backup camera, backup sensors, tow pack. It does have the bed lighter with the rubber floor mats in the bed, just so you know. Actually, let me see if it's unlocked. Oh, it is. Okay. So, bed liner, the WeatherTech type floor mats, and this is a little step you can pull out and get in there if need be. Like the hard tonneau cover because you can lock it and put your tools in there. I actually really like that that roof rack up there too. Kind of gives it some eyeball. As we say in the car business, eyeball. This does have remote start, so might as well just do that. Boom. I'm a huge fan of these EcoBoosts, especially after 2011, but, which was the first year they came out. Anyways, let's get to the inside condition and features. We did just get this one in, so a little dusty, so please forgive me on that. But you got the power windows, power locks, Sony premium sound, power memory seats. We'll get the condition of the leather here. Not too bad. A little bit of wear on the driver's side, and I mean just a little bit, getting in and out. Let's get the back seat here. Again, we just got it in. It still needs a thorough detail, so please keep that in mind. Sunroof, pedal adjusters, steering wheel controls, factory tow brake, four-wheel drive, media center, heated and cooled seats. But let's go ahead and turn it over real quick. Oh, let's get that Ford in there so you can see all of that. Okay, the door is ajar. But mileage there, tons of service records on the Carfax. I really encourage you to take a look at the Carfax and all the service that was done to this. Navigation, backup camera, heated and cooled seats, as you can see. The sink. I love these trucks, me personally. But let's go ahead and turn some lights on. So you see power fold-in mirrors as well. Well, guys, hopefully this helped answer some questions. You know, if there's anything that I may have missed or you'd like me to come out, take photos, shoot another video walk around, frankly, whatever I can do to help accommodate, facilitate, just reach out, give us a call or a text. The radio's going crazy in there. I took it off of Bluetooth, so it switched over. Again, we do deliver nationwide, including Hawaii and Alaska. My contact information is in the description below. I can get you over a link to one of our transport partners, and then you can get an instant quote for home or office deliveries. Again, I want to say thank you for your time and consideration, and hopefully we can earn your business. We'll see you next time, guys.